welcome back to my channel. Since last so many days I was planning to organize my entire makeup cupboard. You people have no idea, my whole makeup desk is such a mess right now. So I have decided to shoot a video and show all of you how I organize all my makeup products. Let me start by showing you the condition of my makeup cupboard. It is really bad. Every morning I really have to hustle hard to find even a single eye pencil. So let's start by decluttering everything that I have. I have decided to organize everything in these really cute boxes that I have collected over time. So these are my Glam Eco subscription boxes, my Fab India box, and a really cute printed box that I have. Okay, so let me start with the lipsticks. Here I have a really small DKNY watch box which I had saved, and I'm going to arrange all my lipsticks in this box. So here are all my lipsticks in one particular box. Now it's time for all my eyeshadow palettes. So this is my Savannah color eyeshadow, the Maybelline Nudes palette. This is the Oog Oog Shimmer palette. This one's my favorite, the MAC Golden Eyeshadow Palette. Look at that shine. So I'm going to arrange all these palettes in this purple boho type of box. Next, I want all my eye products in one particular basket. So here are all my favorite mascaras. I have MAC, Benefit, Hypercurl, Color Bar. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. It's almost over. I need to order. This is my shimmer eyeliner. And here are all the kajals and mascaras that I use. So I have taken this really cute bright yellow basket and I will be placing all these eye products in this one so that it is easy to access. I just need to pick it up and apply and I'm ready. Next, this is my Urban Decay Naked brush box in which I put all my face brushes. So here I have taken all the hair products which I use every time I wash my hair. So I have my Toni & Guy serum, my Filmora hair serum, This is the Matrix Barrel-Age Serum. I swear by this product. This is my third bottle. And have you guys tried these Ellipse capsules? These are filled with argan oil and are really good for your hair. So here I'm taking my Victoria's Secrets pouch and I'll be organizing all my hair products in one pouch so that they are easily available when I need them. Next, I have put all my skincare products in one box. So all my night creams, my essential oils, my serums, lip scrub, day creams are all together in one box. Now it's time for the nail polishes. I have taken this old sturdy plastic box and I will be putting all the nail paints in this box. But first I need to arrange which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I need to throw away. So these are the ones that I'm disposing and these I will be keeping. In this box I have kept all my foundations. So here is my L'Oreal BB cream, my NYX matte foundation, my foundation by MAC, and my favorite Garnier Micellar water. Have you guys seen me trying this product in my video? You need to go and watch that. I have kept all my pins and rubber bands in this jar. Now it's time to put everything together. So here is my entire makeup cupboard, completely organized, neat and clean. So I have all my perfumes and lotions on one slab, my face products and creams on the other slab. The things which I use really less are on the top shelf. And here are all the boxes which we just organized. And these are all the products that I'm going to dispose of. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Guys, we have to reach 5,000 subscribers really soon. So subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye.